What's up, guys? So today I am doing a ceramic coating on this brand new, I believe it's a 2019 or no 2020 Bullitt Ford Mustang. Got everything taped off. Got my first layer of 9H ceramic Pro 9H on there. Gonna let that cure for a few hours, and then I will be doing my second layer of top coat. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see better. All right, guys, I'm back. We're working on this 2020 or 2019, excuse me, Bullitt Ford Mustang, doing a complete ceramic coating. So far we got the first layer of 9H on. Made sure to tape off any chrome and plastic. Let's move this back. Had to move that so we could have some clearance to get some of the paint near the trim. So it has some awesome wheels, all cleaned up and shined. This is also ceramic coated. Made sure to tape off the headlights and any plastic. For the most part, we got everything covered. The chrome piece that goes around there also. Yeah, so that's how it's looking so far. We're gonna come back in a few hours and get our next layer of top coat on. I'll show you guys that tomorrow. For now, here's another walk around of the car, just so you guys can check it out. This dark Highland green color looks awesome. I love this color. You can see that green more from this angle. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this little video. I'll come back tomorrow and show you guys what it looks like after it has a layer of top coat. Alright, later. What's up, guys? So I'm back. Today is day 2 of installation of the Ceramic Pro coating. We have gotten the second layer of top coat on. Yesterday we did a layer of the 9H and let that cure for a few hours, and this is what everything looks like with top coat on. I have these wiper blades up because next up we're going to do an application of Ceramic Pro Rain on the windshield and the side mirrors and driver's side window and passenger window. Alright guys, here's what it's looking like.